Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so excited for today's lesson. We're going to cover something that can instantly make your English sound clearer and more natural: pronunciation.
That's right. Sometimes, even when you have great grammar and vocabulary, small pronunciation mistakes can make you feel less confident. Today, we're going to identify 5 very common English words that are often mispronounced.
This isn't about being perfect. It's about making small changes that have a big impact. Fixing these common mistakes will help you sound more fluent and be understood more easily. Let's get started with our first word.
Part 1. Word 1. Vegetable. Okay, the first word is something we eat every day. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E.
The common mistake is to pronounce every syllable, saying something like veg-e-table, which has 4 syllables.
But in natural spoken English, we actually shorten this word. The middle E is silent, so we don't say veg-e-table.
The correct pronunciation only has 3 syllables. Listen carefully. Veg, ta, bull. Let's say it slowly. Veg, ta, bull.
Let's use it in a sentence. I try to eat at least one vegetable with every meal. Your turn to repeat. Vegetable.
Part 2. Word 2. Comfortable. Our second word is another one where people often add an extra syllable. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E.
The common mistake is to say comfortable. Again, that's 4 syllables, which sounds a bit unnatural.
To sound more fluent, we push the middle sounds together. The correct pronunciation is comfortable. It almost sounds like the O-R is silent. Listen again. Comfortable.
Here's an example sentence. These new shoes are very comfortable. Now you try. Comfortable.
Part 3. Word 3. Wednesday.
Ah, a classic tricky word. The third word is a day of the week. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y.
The spelling is very confusing here. The mistake is to pronounce it like it's spelled, saying Wednesday.
The secret here is that the first D and the second E are completely silent. You just ignore them. The correct pronunciation only has 2 syllables. Wednesday.
Your challenge for this week is to try using just one of these techniques in your next English conversation. Notice how it changes the dynamic and makes it easier to talk.
You now have the tools to talk to anyone with confidence. Thank you for taking this time to learn and grow with us on Confidence in English.
Let us know in the comments which technique you are most excited to try. We'll see you in the next lesson.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.